dish is creamy butter chicken. And to start us off, we'll first need to marinate the chicken. Now first up, add in salt, half a teaspoon of salt, now add in chicken stock, half a teaspoon as well, white pepper, 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, now add in chili powder, 1 teaspoon, and again this is optional. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add in chili powder. And now chili flakes. So everyone who's a fan of Domino's, or even if you are not, you would know that this is the Domino's chili flakes that I'm using. 2 packets. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Break an egg in. Now add in corn flour. I'll be using 4 tablespoons. And now just mix everything well. Make sure that all the chicken pieces are well coated with the ingredients that we just added in. And now all the chicken have been well mixed, and so we can proceed to let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we can then fry the chicken. So prepare a wok and add in sufficient oil for deep frying. And now we'll just wait to see if the oil is hot enough. And one tip to take note is, if you want to test if the oil is hot, insert a bamboo stick, and if bubbles form around the bamboo stick, it means that the oil is hot enough. And then you can just start by adding all the chicken pieces into the wok. And now we'll just leave it for about 10 minutes to let the meat cook. Halfway through, you can also check and just flip it over to make sure that the other half of the chicken also gets cooked. And once both sides of the chicken is well cooked, you can then take it out. And for now, we'll just let the oil drain out first from the chicken. That's why I'm holding it in the strainer for a longer time. Once the oil stops dripping, then we can add it to our plate. And now just repeat the same steps and add in the rest of the chicken pieces. Let it cook, let it fry, flip it over for the other side. Take it out and add in the next batch until all of the chicken pieces are well cooked and fried. And this is the last batch that I have cooked. And now for making the creamy sauce. So the ingredients that we'll be needing are basically these: fried chicken, curry leaves, butter, evaporated milk, red chilli, an egg yolk, sugar, salt, garlic paste, and now in your pan, add in butter. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of butter. And now just mix it a little, let the butter melt. Then we can add in the egg yolk. And when you add in the egg yolk, just make sure to continuously stir it. Just for a couple of seconds, and then add in the garlic paste. For this, I'm putting in 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste. So garlic paste can easily be made and preserved in the fridge, and I've dropped the link down below for you to learn how to make it on your own. And now for the next ingredient, we'll be adding in the red chilli. So 1 red chilli already sliced. Then can add in evaporated milk, 1 So for this dish, I want it to be very creamy. I don't want it to be dry, and that's why I'm adding in 1 whole cup of evaporated milk. Now we'll just let it cook for a bit and then add in the curry leaves, just a handful of curry leaves. Here I'm using 2 sprigs of curry leaves. And now add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it for a bit. Then add in the sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar as well. And once you see it reaches a little bit of a boil, then you can add in the fried chicken. So the fried chicken, you don't really need to cook it in the sauce. It's basically just to really cover the whole chicken pieces with the sauce. And you can see it gives it a nice creamy texture. And basically, once you've added in the chicken, leave it for about 10 seconds, and that is it. Your dish is already done.
We are also involved.
So this right here is creamy buttered chicken made at home. It's definitely restaurant level, and it's something that is so simple for you to try out and make at home. So if you like this, make sure to let us know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.